Welcome to math class, second grade. Today we have some more about estimates. You've had addition in estimates before, and now we will do subtraction in estimates. Let's look over here on the board first. We're going to do some board work here. So here we're going by tens. Before 850, by tens would come 840, and then we have 860. Before 920 is 910. And then 930. Before 36 is 26, and then we have 46. Okay, do you still remember place value here? So we have, first of all, we start on the right with the first number, and that is the ones place. So we'll put ones in there, and then we have here is the tens, put tens in there, hundreds, thousands, ten thousands, and last of all is 100,000. Okay. So thinking about that, let's fill in now our grid here. So we have this number, 28,460. We put the 0 in the ones place, 6 in the tens, 4 is hundreds, 8 is thousands, and 2 is 10,000s. 375. So we put 5 in the ones, 7 in the tens, 3 in the hundreds. 487,690. 0 in the ones, 9 in the tens, 6 in the hundreds, 7 in thousands, 8 in the 10,000s, 4 in the 100,000s, 2,532, 2 in the ones, 3 in the tens, 5 in the hundreds, and 2 in the thousands. Okay, let's review the estimates by addition. So estimate for 18 would be 20. Estimate for 34 would be 30. 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 3 is 5. 50 is your answer. 75, the estimate for 75, go up to 80. And 86 is 90. So we have 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 9 is 17. 170 is your estimate answer. Okay, so then this is what we're having today now. This is the same procedure, but it's just going by subtraction instead of addition. So we have 93, the estimate for 93 would be 90, and 27 would be 30. 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 3 is 12. Your answer is 120. And then we have 54 here. So the estimate for 54 would be 50. 22 would be 20, and we would add those together. So we have 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 2 is 7, so 70 would be your answer. Probably what we should have done in these problems is don't forget your little plus sign when you go to add them. Actually, you know what? These are supposed to be minus, so we have to minus these. Okay, let's go ahead and minus these. Now, don't make that same mistake on your lesson, second grade. Remember, if you are to watch the signs here for these things, if you're supposed to subtract, don't forget to subtract. Do not add if you need to subtract. So we have 50 minus 20 would be 0 plus 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. 0 minus 0 here is 0. 9 minus 3 would be 6. Okay, so that is now better. So don't forget, don't subtract if you need to subtract, and if you need to add, then add. So be careful with that, watching your signs now. So then up here we would put the pluses because we are adding here. Okay, let's look at these problems down here. So we have 3 minus 2. Don't forget again to look at your signs. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So your answer is 511. Now let's check by addition just to see if our answer is correct. So when we check by addition, we add these two numbers together, and then this number here needs to be the same as the top number up here. Then that says we have the right answer. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 1 plus 5 is 6. 643 and 643. It looks like we are correct. Okay, let's do this one. 9,742 minus 222. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. 9 minus nothing is 9. And don't forget your comma. Okay, so let's check now by addition. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. And then we have 0 plus nothing plus 9 is 9. So our answer is 9,742. And up here we have the same number. So apparently we are on the right track there. Okay, let's go over now Roman numerals up over here. Review them. So I means 1, and then here is a blank, so we need to fill in these missing blanks with Roman numerals as they come in order of counting, like how we count by Arabic numbers. So we have I is 1, number 2, and then for 2 would be I is 3, IV is 4, V is 5, VI is 6, VII is 7, and then we have 8, which would be VIII, and 9 would be IX, 10 is X, 10 plus 1 is X1, which would be 11, 12 is XII. Okay, yeah, so that covers the Roman numerals. Let's look over here on the money and the story problem now. So we have here, first of all, let's fill in these numbers here. Put the numbers in the boxes. So we have 8 plus 2 plus 5, which would be 15. So 15 goes into the box. 12 minus 9 is 3, plus 7 is 10. 10 goes into the box there. All right, and then we have a story problem over here. So let's look at that together. It says, Mark has 8 tractors and 7 wagons for sale. How many pieces of equipment does he have in all? Okay, so we don't have same words in this one anymore, so we need to kind of think in our minds about 8 tractors. So visualize in your mind 8 tractors. He has 8 tractors and 7 wagons for sale. So and it's now asking how many pieces of equipment does he have in all. Well, let's go ahead and underline these things that we're working with so that we can kind of picture them a little bit better. Okay, so 8 in all, so we're going to add, so 8 plus 7 equals 15. Okay, so would it be 15 tractors or 15 wagons or 15 pieces? Well, it's asking how many pieces, right? So we need to write pieces then for our label. So we'll put pieces right in here, like that. Okay, so take time to think through your story problems really carefully. Make sure that you get the right label in, and yeah, think carefully through them. Let's now do the money here. So we will review our dollars and our coins here again. You probably know them, but just don't forget them. Okay, so this is the $50, and this is worth 50 cents. Then we have the quarter. Quarter is worth 25 cents. Dime is 10 cents. Nickel, 5 cents. And penny, 1 cent. And then we have the dollar bills. So $1 and $5 go by 5s, and $10 bills go by 10s. All right, so let's now think of our money over here on the board. So remember the other day I told you that they're gonna start probably kind of mixing up the money a little bit. And so you need to, when you're counting it, you need to look for the biggest pieces first. The ones that are worth more first, we count first. So let's look over here on the board, our money here. So we have three $10 bills, so 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, $32, and then we have two $half here. So $33, right? $33.02. Okay, let's count again just to make sure that we're right on it. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, and $33 and then 2 cents. Yep, we're right on that. Okay, let's count these coins here now. So these coins are all kind of mixed up here. So we have to look for the largest amount first, and then look for the next largest amount next, and then on like that. So 25, well, that's a quarter. That looks like that'd be the largest. So let's start with this 25 guy here. 25, and then 35, 45, 50, 51. So it looks like 51 cents. Let's count again. So 25, 35, 45, 50, 51. 51 cents is your answer. Okay, on the next line, so here we have some $half, the way it looks, and $half go by 50s. So here is 50, $1. Okay, so $1, and then 25, 35, 40, 41. $1.41, I believe, is the answer. So let's count again just to be sure. 51, $1. 25, 35, 40, 41. So $1.41 is correct. Okay, I think we got all the board covered now. Now let's go over your equivalents here. So I put the numbers today, I put like the numbers that are supposed to go in here. Since you're not here to tell me the answers, and you know, I figured, well, I'm just gonna put these numbers in here so you can kind of see them, and maybe it'll stick a little bit better. So let's go for it now. It says 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 yard equals 36 inches. 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 dozen equals 12 things. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 1 week equals 7 days. 12, half a dozen equals, oh, got the wrong thing there. So half a dozen equals 6 things, right? 6 things. 1 year equals 12 months. 1 quart equals 4 pints. 1 pint equals 2 cups. And 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. Okay, so I'll put the right tag on that half a dozen thing. Half a dozen equals 6 things. Okay, 2nd grade, you can go ahead and do your speed drill, and you can also do your worksheets for the day, which I'll tell you what to work on for the worksheets, just in case you get confused. So the worksheets are supposed to be missing numbers 6 and number facts 13. Okay, so you can go ahead with your lesson You have a circle graph also to look at, that graph that tells you how many, it's talking about favorite colors of second graders, so you can try to figure out that. And yeah, I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow again.